Make your work easy in the kitchen, and amp up your cooking skills with these easy tips and tricks. Tip number 1: ginger can be tricky to peel, with all its bumps and irregularities. Rather than using a paring knife or vegetable peeler, reach for the spoon. Scrape it against the skin and it'll come right off. Tip number 2: always have a garbage bowl near your workstation. I wholeheartedly agree, a bench scraper, along with garbage bowl, is an essential piece kit as well. Not having to walk back and forth to the garbage every few minutes can take a lot of drudgery. Hour of your prep, and nothing's better than a bench scraper for moving large quantities of fiddly ingredients. Tip number 3: freeze things flat and stack them. Whether it's soup, stews, or ground meat, the flatter and wider you can get them, the faster they'll freeze and defrost, which not only makes you more efficient, it also improves the quality of the food. Tip number 4: I might get a lot of hate for this one, but truth be told, I use pre-peeled garlic almost exclusively. I find peeling garlic from a whole head to be a bit of a pain in the button. Usually can't be bothered. The pre-peeled stuff, so long as you buy it fresh, will last for weeks in the refrigerator. And despite what some smoothie chefs may tell you, it tastes just fine. Tip number 5: keep your knives sharp. Sharp knives are her jam. Having sharp knives is not only safer, your knife is less likely to slip off a vegetable and into your finger, but it just makes cooking so much more pleasurable when you can fly through your slicing, dicing, and chopping tasks. Here we go. Tip number 6: clean a microwave faster and easier by nuking 2 cups water in a microwave-safe vessel for 2 minutes, then wiping down the insides with a clean cloth. Add a wedge or 2 of lemon to the water for some real cleaning power. Tip number 7: if your grill's got a little gunk on it, and you can't find the grill brush, crinkle up a big sheet of foil, then rub it along the grates before lighting the grill. Tip number 8: easily slice big leaf herbs, like basil and sage, by stacking, rolling, and then slicing across into ribbons. Tip number 9: freeze soft cheese, like fresh mozzarella, for 15 minutes to make it easier to slice or shred. Tip number 10: chop big pieces of lettuce quickly and easily by zipping through them with a pizza cutter, right in the salad bowl. I hope you find these tips helpful. For more useful tips and life hacks, subscribe to